Wait, let's listen to this music.
Yeah, yeah, oh, nah, nah, nah. Once upon a time, you be the light in my life. Make I tell you something, yeah. You be the love of my life, no be like. Girl, when I see you at day high. From the moment I look in your eyes, now you they make my heart they fly, oh my. You be the one where they make me believe. Say true love still they exist. I go there till the end of time. Cause you be the love of my life. From Lagos down to Cape.
Now, I know you enjoy the music, but do you know that I created this music without even having any idea on how to write lyrics? I don't know how to write lyrics. I don't know anything about music. I don't even know how to sing, and I created this music. In this video, I'm also going to show you how you can create amazing music like what you just listening to right now. You create amazing, beautiful music, a pro music that anybody that listens to the music know that yes, this music is so interesting. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like that for free. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip any part, the part you decided to skip may be the most important part you need to watch to get everything done right. So don't skip this video. Make sure you watch it to the end so that you know the method you use to create something like what you just listened to right now. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, in this channel we'll teach you how you can use AI to create music, to create AI image, to create videos, and also use AI to create anything you want to create with AI. In this channel, we teach you that. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos on how you can be using AI to create thumbnails, create image, create videos, create music, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that when next we drop videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me show you the new method and step-by-step guidelines which you can use to create AI music without knowing how to sing music, without knowing how to even write lyrics. Everything is going to be done by AI. Let's go dive into it right now. Now, let's start with the creation of our music. First, you go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. You go and search for this application called ChatGPT. As you can see it here, ChatGPT. You install it. I've already installed it on my phone. The next thing I'll just do is to click on open. When I click on open, it will bring me to an interface like this. But if you are using it for the first time, it will ask you to register. You just register with your email address and password, and that is it. And it will bring you to an interface like this. Now, I will tell ChatGPT to write me a music lyrics of my choice, any music lyrics you want. So I will say hello first. Let me greet him. So I will say, I want you to write me music lyrics. Title: The love of my life. Let's say, let me use female name so that it will sound good. Let's say San Amina. Amina, the love of my life. As you can see, this is the title. Amina, the love of my life. So I will say, I'll put comma. I want it to be Nigeria. Nigeria Afro beat type of music with music piano. So you can just write something you want him to do for you on my piano. So let's just click on complete continue. It will write the music lyrics right now. As you can see, I've write the music lyrics, the title, as you can see. So as you can see, this is the music. It's still writing it. It's still writing it. So now this is the music. All I just have to do is just to click on this copy right here. I'll copy it. Then I'll go to my notepad. My notepad. This is my notepad. I'll click on plus and I'll paste it here. Now I need to change some things. So I need to delete here from this down here. I'll delete it. I don't want it. So I'll come up here again. This I will delete from here to this place. Now this is the music title. This is the tempo and everything. So right now I will go to take you guys to the platform, an app that will make this as a music sound for us in just less than 1 minute. So let's go to Suno AI. Now this is Suno AI. This Suno AI. I will click on here, this icon. When you come to Suno AI, all you have to do is just to register. So when you register, it will bring you to an interface like this where you start putting your music lyrics. Now I'll go back to my notepad. Then I'll copy the music lyrics, as you can see right from intro. So I'll copy it from the intro. So I'll take it down. I'll be taking it down till the end. Just need to copy. Then I'll click on copied. Then copy. Then I'll come back here and put it here where they say lyrics. Make sure this you set this list as customized. As you can see, customized. You set it here. Then you move down. You move down. You scroll down. When you scroll down, it will ask you music style. Then we go back to our notepad here. As you can see, our music type here. Then we copy it again. We take it to our music style here. We paste it here. So our music title. We also go back to our notepad. Now this is the music title, Amina, the love of my life. Then we copy it. We bring it here. You can create any type of music using this method. So the next thing, you click on create here. You click on it. When you click on it, as you can see, it's going to start creating our music in just less than 1 minute. You can see it has start generating up here. Now as you can see, this is the music. As you can see, it has start generating. These are some of the music I've made so far. As you can see, I've made a lot of music using this strategy. Now as you can see, it's still making the music, but you can still listen to it before it finishes the music. So let me play it so that we listen to what it has got for us. Let's listen to this one that is generating right now. Let's listen to it together. As you can see, the music just sounds the way we want it. So this is the music. It will create it into. So this is the music. It will create it into. Now let's just wait for the music to. It's still publishing it now. As you can see, the first one has published. The second one, you can listen to both the two. If you like it, you can download any of the one. But if you don't like it, you can tell him to regenerate it again by coming to here again. You click on create again. When you click on create again, it will still recreate it again using another sound, using another voice. It will still redo it again. But let's just wait for this one to be done. Then we download it to our phone. Let me show you guys how you can download it to your phone. Now let's refresh so that if it's done, we'll know. I just refresh. Now it's still there. It's still customizing it. But after it's done, all you just have to do is just click on this three dot here. This three dot you are seeing here. When you click on it, it will bring you to an interface like this. Then you scroll down. You are going to see MP3 download. MP3 download. Under download, you see MP3 audio. You click on it, and you can bring it to this interface. All you just have to do is just to click on download any app. When you click on download any app, it's going to be downloaded to your phone, and that is how you can make it. And now as you can see, download, it has downloaded to my phone. When I click on open right now, you are going to see this is the music. Let's listen to it together.
my piano beats, make a talk over. Yeah, yeah. Oh, nah. She baby, I'm in love, I like Bolale. They're not the ginger me, I don't feel on our way. Every time.
So you guys can see how the music was sounding. So this is how you'll be creating your music using the method I just show you right now. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'll be revealing more details on how you can be using AI to create your music, create videos, and also how you can be making movies with AI. So don't forget to subscribe so that when next I post those videos, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.